Hey YouTube, hi guys here. I got a couple packages from Amazon. I think I've mentioned them in a video before. The first one I pre-opened, and let's get started. The first one should be screen protectors for my iPod, which I'll figure this out. Yep, see? Screen protectors and a multi-cloth. So, yeah, let's see. Open it up here. I got a whole bunch of cords here, so give me a break. There's 5 of them, and they go right over the iPod like that. I guess something like that. It's a little small, or a little big, but yeah. So let me get it on here real quick. It's gonna be a little hard. So I mean, it's a little bubbly, but just work those out. You don't want anything on your screen either, because it'll get stuck there. And then I'll work that out and get that. Yeah, so I guess it's a little bubbly, but it fits and it works, and it's going to be easy to get all the bubbles out. So, alright, on to the next thing. I'm pretty sure I already know what this is, but just to make sure here. Okay, harder than I thought it would be, but yeah. Wow, this is 2 bags together, if you can see it. Wait. Alright, credit to whoever had the time to take the time out of their day and wrap this shit. I can't even open it by my hand. So it's like this. It's the mic for your iPhone, or iPod in this case. Jeez. Alrighty here. There we go. So that's open like that. And then what it is it's the headphones. Like that, the headphones. See? But it also comes with a mic. iPod real quick. You just plug it in your polka dotted iPod. I'm taking the screen off for now, the whole screen. Alright, I have 5 of them. And then the other packet, just poke a hole through it and grab it real quick. But it's going to be the same thing. See? It's the same thing. It's going to be the same. I got another one. But real quick, we'll show you this. So you put these in your ear. And I'll go to an app with a voice calling in it. And here's my phone. So I'll call my phone. I'll call my phone with it. And yeah, so let it load up. Actually, while that loads up, I'm going to go ahead and get this casing, or uncasing I guess you could say, started on the other package. Alright, never mind. Just no thanks. Alright, now we go to dialer. And I'm going to type in my number. So as you can see, it's calling. I'm at a minute. That's yay. Well, I'm at a minute, but you can talk with it and everything and all that. So yeah, so that was that. Alright, that's that one. Alright, so now let's get started on this. This next one is going to be something my mom ordered me. I don't know what it is. I'm almost positive it's computer RAM though. That's what I said in the other video, so I'm going to stick to it, but that's what it is. Yep, that's what it is. RAM. It's hold on. Get rid of some shit. So it's 1 gigabyte, 533 sodium. Wait, I feel stupid. 1 gigabyte DDR2 PC 4200 memory upgrade for Toshiba Satellite A130-904. That's this computer right there. So yeah, and it comes in a little anti-static bag. So that's basically it for this. This is a 10-minute video, and that's the longest video I've ever done, actually. I'll show you guys the screen, I guess, if anybody cares, in like 5 minutes whenever I get it all taken out. And then, yeah, so, whoops, there goes see the old mic I have? That's going to be replaced by that iPod headset. So, you know, hi guys, iPod reviews. Subscribe, please. I mix up my B's and my D's. Leave me alone. Thank you. So, yeah, this has been iGuys iPod Reviews. It's been 10 minutes and 10 seconds now. yeah, I think we're gonna get